so now I'm going to move into the first series of turns off of, putting one leg in. And, to me, with leg riding, you keep it simple. Keep it simple, keep it technical. And the most important thing is you have to have a little bit of a mean streak to you. The more physical and the meaner you are on top, the more likely you're going to turn a guy. Again, when you're wrestling best guys, the gap is so close. And usually what separates that gap at the top, it is that extra aggression or that pace or that physical nature of somebody. And although I wasn't the most physical guy by any means, when I got on top, I was just taught from a very, very young age, that's when you punish a guy. That's when you can really punish a guy. You can take it out of a guy. He could be the toughest guy in the country, but when I got on top, I was the toughest guy in the country. Although I'm saying that, I'm not going to take a toll on Isaiah's back, but the point is you have to be extremely physical on the top. So we've talked for, 10, 15 minutes just about the grit work, not even the turns. If anything, I hope you just can learn that first part, that first part of that grit work and that control riding, and then you add to your game. If you can do that first part, any college in the country is going to recruit you, because we can develop anybody from the neutral position, but to have that element of your game of being able to ride, it separates you from the pack. Okay? So, off the whistle, I'm going to go Isaiah's way this time. Off the whistle, I'm looking at that ref. I want to beat him inside. All right, I'm not sitting here and getting caught off balance and him and exploding up. He's not beating me off that whistle. The whistle goes, boom, I'm switching hands, coming to the ankle, drive. I get that pressure, now I'm coming back. Here, leg in. When my leg comes in, I switch. All right, now from here, circle this way, Isaiah. What I like to do is I come to the ankle, and I'm going to lift this toe up, and you can come here, or the face, under the throat, and you arch. You arch that body, and you get him flat. All right, I'm going to circle him again. Now, this is, again, the most important thing with one leg riding. If you learn this, and you're not doing this as you're riding legs, this is well worth the video. Once I lock in, again, I figure for my legs underneath. See how that elevates his leg up? Okay? He can set me on my hip at will right now, even though I got his leg elevated, I got my knee up the butt, everything's perfect, but this knee is down, all right? It's parallel with his body. He sets me to his hip here, and this is literally, I'm giving all the pressure I can, all right? By making this a tripod, a leg, and turning it out, it changes the game. He tries to set me down. It's not happening. Like I said, now I can start going to work.